I think here's what happened when we get to you. You talking to the YNs, and I love it because I try to mentor, in the community myself. Is you a product of your environment in a sense, but then once you have the cognitive ability to realize you're in a fucked up environment, it's your obligation to change.
Yeah.
Because once you know better, you're supposed to do better.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. So a lot of times these guys, the YNs, right?
We was always taught after a while.
So when I don't advocate being in the streets, but I used to be in the streets a long time ago. I'm an old guy, so this is way after statute of limitations. So I can tell you some stuff, right? So I used to run with some people way back, and you would do stuff in the name of pride and ego, right? And you just wanted to show off in front of the next dude. Because at the end of the day, you trying to be hard for the hood, but when you do this thing that you're going to be hard for the hood for, you leaving the hood immediately.
And ain't nobody going to see you.
Yeah, and then ain't nobody going to see you. No. And then what, you finna go be hard in prison? Because all it takes is time and opportunity. So you might think you the hardest thing, and you might get through prison in them first 10, 12, 15, 17 years, but boy, you on a life bid, when you get to 60 and 70, you can't defend yourself. You might still be tough with that attitude, but a young 19, 20-year-old nigga and a 63-year-old dog, like,
hey, Pops, go ahead.
Yeah, go and give me that stove, Pops. Right? So, like, it's just time and opportunity.
Damn.
You know what I mean? So I always say, man, let that shit go.
Yeah,
it don't matter what somebody say to you, man. Fuck them motherfuckers.
It ain't worth it.
But here's what it is. So back in the day, what I was getting to, I kind of got off track on it. Me and the homies, all our OGs and big homies told us, man, you hustling and doing this shit to get out the hood. So it's so many niggas that go to making $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 a week. And I'm just talking about low level. I ain't even talking about the niggas that making 10 grand, 20 bands, 50 bands a day. Because I know folks that used to do that.
And there's niggas
but I know low level people that would be making enough money to move out in the middle suburbia, out to Gwinnett. You know what I'm saying? Buy a house, get their credit fixed, do all that stuff. And been in the hood, serving, making this type of money for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years. Go to prison, come back home, do it for another couple of years, go to prison. You know what I'm saying? Like, could have been flipped that shit into a landscaping business or stocks and investments or, whatever like that. But claiming, for what?
Gotta clean up your money. Gotta clean up your money.
To be that guy.
To be that guy in that area.
And then everybody, like I say.
But I said that.
What is the criteria of the man? Like, everybody want to be that man.
No, but that's where, this is what I try to tell the young folks a lot of times.
Diddy was the man.
The more you're confident in who you are as a youngster, you can get that in life in terms of as a youngster.
Yeah.
It takes a while because you're around different peers and environments and all the TV shows and all that, but more confident in who you are and all that, life becomes a little bit more, I won't say easier, but more to focus on. Because you ain't trying to daggone find out who I am or trying to impress all these other folks. That's why I say, young niggas, hey, be yourself, bro.
To that point, I always tell parents the one question that I haven't heard since I was a kid, and I don't think I've heard it at any time, is, what do you want to be when you grow up? You remember when you was young?
Yeah.
And them teachers would ask you all that stuff?